How to connect Bluetooth headphones to Android device. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Swipe down on the top right, it's going to show your control panel, then go over and press settings. So I'm going to press it like so. You're going to go down and scroll down to connections. So I have connections right there. Then go over to the Bluetooth option. Now, when it's on, it's going to be basically searching for available devices. Now, from here, all I want to do on my AirPods is make sure the AirPods are open. So I'm going to open them right now. Then once they're open, all I want to do is double tap in the center right here. And then as you can see, they are now in pairing mode. So once they are in pairing mode, all you want to do is place them down, and then in available devices, eventually you're going to see the AirPods appear right there. So what you could also do is just go ahead and press scan at the very top again. And now it's going to be scanning for available devices, the AirPods being one of them. Now, as you can see, the AirPods are shown up right there. So now all I'm going to do is go ahead and click on that. It's going to say it's been pairing. It says Bluetooth pairing request. So then all I got to do is click pair. And as you can see, they are now connected, and then you'll be good to go.